Hello, Don Crossley of Croz Custom Metal, your on-site welding and repair service. Just wanted to take the opportunity this morning to give you guys a short tour around my truck. This is my welding truck, and just show you some of the features of it. Obviously, we got the barbecue. Got to have the barbecue. Pipe vise always comes in handy if you've got fittings that you need to torque on. Toolboxes. It's amazing how much stuff you can fit in these boxes. I got my portaband saw and I've got my grinders and whatnot. Mixed gas for MIG 7525 and argon for TIG welding. This is the 450 Ford. You need a big truck to carry all this weight. The bed itself weighs a little over 8,000 pounds, so you definitely need a bigger truck. And obviously when you get to the bigger trucks, they don't ride very nice, so I had the suspension all removed from it, and I had the Kelderman air system with the auto ride installed, front and rear. It's all airbags and it rides wonderfully. My cylinders are tied into a single manifold in here and to a single regulator, or actually it's a dual regulator, and then it runs through a 100-foot of hose. So this is what I TIG with. Just another compartment here. Another thing here is my weld machine. It's just your SA250, and I have this cover to keep the kids from playing with it, keep the sun off of it. But it does the job, and it looks nice when it's on. Also, we have my small argon cylinder that I use for the portable jobs when I have to go into the restaurants and do stainless steel repairs, which I use one of my portable machines that's in here. When you buy a work truck, you want to get everything you can possibly get, and obviously I got the Lariat model, so I got everything I could possibly get on it. It's got the navigation, backup camera and whatnot, leather seats, heated and cooled. I love it. But moving to the front, also we have the power folding mirrors. Got to have those. A lot of times when I'm going into tight areas, instead of having your spotter bounce them in for you, you just roll up to it, give it a flip, and your mirrors go in, go on past the obstruction, bang, they come back out. The front airbags for the suspension, and again, it's all auto ride height, so no matter what you do, it's going to stay level, which is another nice feature on this system, and I'll show you in a minute. It's got a dump feature on the back that allows the whole back end to drop down to bring it to a level that's more comfortable for me to work with or work off of. And also I use it as a leveling device. If it's not very level, I can shut one of the valves off and tip down one side or the other and actually level the bed off for when I'm fitting. Another view of the front suspension. And while I'm here, if you want to take a look at the back end there, I'll just kind of show you the dump feature. And that's all there is to that. You just flip the switch and it dumps right down. More compartments, you know we can never have too much room. And this is just for all my pigtails and whatnot, air dryer. But another thing is you got to be creative on how you lock this stuff. I just use a long homemade bolt with a hole in it for the padlock, and it slides right in there just like that, and that is locked. That's not coming out. Just put my padlock on it and you're safe. More compartments here. I keep my rod up here. I also keep rod in the truck that's unopened. It's got to be code rod, and I also carry papers for it, but this is just all miscellaneous stuff here. Oxygen and acetylene. More storage, smaller grinders. This right here is my inverter, 110 volt inverter, which really comes in handy. Then you don't have to start up your noisy weld machine. You've got 110 volt power anytime you need it. And I often use the inverter for just that purpose. But aside from that, it's your basic work truck outfitted for me, and it works great. The crane here is 12 volt wire controlled, and it's just a pump hydraulic. spins all the way around, but it does extend out about 12 feet, and it does save me if I need to pick something up heavy. But air compressor in the back there, it's a 25 cubic foot air compressor, and I can carbon arc all day long with that air compressor on my machine, and it'll hold 90 pounds all day long running through a carbon arc stinger. But aside from that, that's about it.